museum or something. Okay, open it. Open it. Open it. Here. Okay, open it.
What did Kagan send you?
There. Oh, okay.
Kagan must have been in Chicago.
Yeah,
He was at the Shedd Aquarium.
Look at the turtle.
Wow.
You like that? Wait, look at you. Oh, Kagan wrote you a note on the back. Look on the back of that. He wrote you a note. It's from the aquarium. Oh, they bought that from the aquarium.
What do you say?
Oh.
Say thank you, Kagan.
Aquarium. Oh, nice. That matches your bag.
I know. Matches your dress,
it
too.
does.
What do you say, Allison?
What do you say? You say,
Thank you.
tell Kagan in the thing.
Tell Kagan in the camera. Say thank
and
you,
then we'll
Kagan.
send it to him.
Say thank you, Kagan.
Thank you, Kagan.
Okay,
Good job.
girl.
Good job. Say
Good
bye.
job.
Bye.
I went to Summit